In this video, we're working on the headliner trim panel. These panels tend to break over time, and while you can buy reproductions in the US, they can be quite expensive. So we asked ourselves, what would MacGyver do? We simply used a soldering iron and some paper clips, melting them into the plastic to hold it together. For extra stability, we added some superglue to the repair. Once it dried, we decided to cover the gray panel with the same fabric we used for the PMD seats. First, we cleaned the plastic with some glass cleaner, like Windex. Then we sprayed some spray glue on the surface and carefully applied the fabric, using a squeegee to smooth it out. For added hold on the edges, we applied a bit of super glue and secured everything with some washing clamps. After letting the glue dry for 2 days, we cut off the excess fabric. The panel was ready to install and the end result looks absolutely great. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.